Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends and we are jumping straight into this video. Today's unit is from Amazon from the company Unice. Inside of the box came a bag, and inside of that bag was a wig cap, an elastic band, some eyelashes, and then a makeup brush. The unit they sent over is Unice's Wear and Go Wig Pre-Cut Lace Straight Hair. It's a 6x4x5 transparent lace wig. You can wear it glueless, easy for beginners. It comes pre-plucked with a breathable cap. It's 150% density and it is 20 inches. In the inside of the cap, it comes 2 combs, one on either side, as well as an elastic band. This is so you can wear it glueless. It has a comb at the bottom as well, and this time it does not have adjustable straps, and this is the first time you're seeing this. It has like this tacky grip along the wig, and I guess it's supposed to grip to your skin. I'm not sure, but I kind of like it. So here is the ends of the hair. They look really good and healthy, and you can run your finger straight through this hair and it is very bouncy. So I'm tinting my lace using my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown by the brand Red. Backstory, I did try to bleach my knots and it did not take, and I did the same process that I do on any other wig. So long story short, just don't waste your time trying to bleach the knots. You're just going to waste product, and the knots are not that big as well, so the tinting spray should do the job. So in putting my unit on, I did struggle just a little bit, just because I'm so used to tugging on the lace and getting it adjusted, and I didn't have no lace to do that with, and it was just so many flyaways. So yeah, I probably should have wore it glueless like it was recommended to, because it would have just been so much easier. Anywho, since I did not wear glueless, I'm gluing my unit down with my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just spraying along the hairline and then blow drying it in. Again, sis, I did struggle on this part as well, just because I didn't have any lace to tuck onto, and yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It looks so good though. The lace looks good. You don't need to trim it at all. You don't need to do anything to this unit. Like, the lace just looks good on its own. So now that the unit is fully glued down, I just wanted you guys to get another close-up at how the lace looked, and just, it's really undetectable, like what lace is. it looks really good. Anyways, I'm gonna go in using my Black Radiance contour palette to do a little bit more tinting in the front. I'm gonna place some more powder, along the hairline, and then after I get it to my liking, I'm gonna go in one more time with some more Got to Be Glue Free Spray, just so that it can just really melt in my skin. So now for styling, I'm just going to keep it real plain and simple and stay with this middle part. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, and then afterwards go in using some wax. My wax stick is from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to place that around or along the parting space, and then after I get it to my liking, I'm going to go in with my hot comb. So now I'm going to use that wax stick in the front of my hair and then go in as well with the hot comb. I was looking at it when I was going through with a hot comb and seeing how I did not pluck it. And I'm not going to say I forgot, I just didn't do it only because I didn't know where I was going to how I was going to hold it down, given that I didn't have any extra lace. So yeah, I'm just going in right now and just plucking the hairline a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in using my hot comb one more time and kind of just see where I'm at, see what the front is giving, if we need to pluck it a little bit more, or you know what it is that it's looking like. And then I'm just gonna use the hot comb and push it all down, because I'm not gonna do like the little arches or whatever. If you get it, you get it. I'm not gonna do them little arches. I'm just gonna push it all down with the hot comb. I'm kind of going for like an effortless look, no baby hairs. It's just like, you know, you see me. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and straighten this unit out. It is straight hair, and I just think the straight hair is gonna give. At first I was gonna do curls, but I said no, baby. We're gonna wear this and just have a flat bust down part, straight. Yeah. So this is what the unit is giving, and girl, like, it looks so good. It's very sleek. It's laying very flat on my head. The hairline, sis, the hairline is giving what needs to be given. Like, it looks so good. Again, it's a pre-cut unit. You don't have to even touch it. Don't even have your scissors out, sis, because you're not cutting a thing, okay? The cut that it comes with is just, it's really nice. It melts in your skin. Like, girl, I just can ask for anything better. So yeah, the unit again is 20 inches, fairly long. I'm 5'7", and it hits me a little longer. 150% density. It is on the thinner side, but I'm not mad at it because it's very sleek. It's very just, it's giving, and this unit is well worth the money. I received minimal shedding. You can run your fingers straight through this unit, and it's just really pretty overall and very good for beginners. If you don't know how to cut your lace, I would definitely recommend just slapping this on and wearing it glueless. Like, nothing to it, sis. But anyways, I have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.